Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, and if you need to find the relay for the vacuum pump, or you have weak brakes, hard brake paddle, vacuum pump not working, we will actually have a video that will explain top reasons why you have hard brake paddle. Check it out, it's on the channel. But in today's video we will explain where the two relays for the vacuum pumps are located on a Ford C-Max generation from year 2012 to year 2019. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Now, let me tell you guys something. That Ford C-Max has three different fuse boxes. One is under the hood, one is on the passenger side, kind of like behind and underneath the glove box, and one is in the trunk. We'll be working on the one that's under the hood today. Okay, so it will be really easy. You don't need to get upside down trying to check the fuses. Everything is located right here in the corner. That's the fuse box, that's the lid. We removed it. You just have one, you can see one notch right here on the back side. It will be on the back left side. You just pry up a little bit and you lift it up. You have the fuse and relay numbers here, and when you hold it that way, it corresponds to what we have specifically here. You can see the bad news, you actually don't know what those relays and fuses are for, so that's what we'll be explaining today. The vacuum pump relay, guys, the first one, we have actually two. Make sure to stay until the end, and if you need to test a relay or a fuse, I'll put a link to a video that will explain how to do that. But the first relay that we need to check is number 7, R7, guys, this huge relay. So we're talking about that relay right here that you need to check. The second relay that we need to check, it's this one right here, R10. That one right here, which is a special one as well. So those two are for the vacuum pump, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find this one out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.